most important question of AP. Let us see the question. Question is the nth term of the sequence is 3n minus 2. Is the sequence in AP? If so, find the 10th term. So first it is given nth terms of the sequence. That means an is given 3n minus 2. Now we have to check is this sequence in AP. So you know for checking the AP, any sequence will be in AP if an minus 1 minus an equal to what? Constant term. That is second minus first, third minus second will be the same. So an minus 1 minus an equal to what? An minus 1 means put the value of n equal to n minus 1. So we will get what? 3 into n minus 1 minus 2, right? And minus n is already given how much? 3n minus 2. So when we solve this number, 3 into n, 3n minus 3 minus 2 minus 3n and minus plus 2. So this minus 2 plus 2 cancel, this 3n and 3n cancel. So this is what? Minus 3. So it is what? Constant term, that is negative. So minus 3 is the constant term. So it is in AP. So I will answer is what? Yes, it is in AP. Now we have to find 10th term. So we have to find A10. So A10 equal to what? Directly put the value here. 3 into 10 minus 2. That is 30 minus 2 is what? 28. So 10th term will be what? 28. This is our correct answer. Let us see the question. Here question is the sequence is defined by A1 equal to A2 equal to 1 and An equal to An minus 1 plus An minus 2 for n greater than 2. Then find the value of An plus 1 by An for n equal to 1, 2 and 3. So first we are finding for n equal to 1. So that is put n equal to 1, we will get what? 1 plus 1, n plus 1 is what? 1 plus 1, 2. A2 upon A1. So you know A1 equal to A2 is already given. A1 equal to A2 is what? 1. So this is 1 by 1, so 1. Now put n equal to 2. So this is an plus 1, so it will what? A2 plus 1, that is A3. And here A2. So A3 is what? So when we find A3, so here A3 means what? A2 plus A1. So this is A2 plus A1 upon A2. So we have to find A3. So put here n equal to 3. So A3 equal to what? A2 plus A1. So A2 plus A1 by A2. Now you know A1 equal to A2 is 1. So it is 1 plus 1. And A2 is what? 1. So correct answer is what? 2. Now you put n equal to 3. So when we put n equal to 3, we get what? N plus 1, that is 3 plus 1, A4. And here what? A3. Again A4 means what? A3 plus A2. So this is A3 and this is A2 upon A3. Now you know A3 equal to what? A3 is A2 plus A1, that is 2. So A3 equal to what? 2 and A2 is already given 1. So this is 1 and again A3 is what? 2. So our correct answer is what? 3 by 2. So n equal to 1, our answer will be 1, and n equal to 2, our answer will be 2, and n equal to 3, answer is what? 3 by 2. See, here general term of an AP, if A be the first term and D be the common difference of an AP, then nth term is given by. So you know well AP means what? Any sequence where common difference is in, that is second minus first, third minus second, and so on is same. So here given if A be the first term and D is the common difference, then nth term will be what? So you can write nth term, that is n equal to what? A plus n minus 1 into D. A plus n minus 1 into D, where A is the first term, D is the common difference. For example, suppose 2, 4, 6, 8 in AP, right? So you know third term is what here? 6. So we can find from this formula third term. So you check. So suppose we are finding third term, for checking answer 6 or not. So third term A3 equal to what? A plus. So A is what? 2. N is what? 3. So that is 3 minus 1. And D is what? 4 minus 2, 2. 6 minus 4, 2. 8 minus 6. So D is what? 2. So this is 2. So we will get 2 plus 3 minus 1, 2 into 2. So 2 plus 4 is what? 6. You see the third term is what? See, in this way, with the help of this formula, we can find any terms of the given AP. Let us see the question. Here question is nth term from end of an AP is we have to find. So let A be the first term and D be the common difference of an AP having the n term. Then nth term from the end is given by, right? So if any AP is given, first term is known, common difference is known, then how can we find nth term from the end? So simple technique is what? See, nth term from end is given by m minus n plus 1th term from beginning. M minus n plus 1th term from the beginning. See one example. Suppose it is given 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 6, 8, 10 is in AP. Suppose 2, 4, 6, 10 in AP. So from the last 1, 2, 3. So last from the end, last term. So if we are finding last term, that means what? Third term from the end. So this is third term from end equal to what? So this is the third term from end. So total number term is what? 5. So m is here 5. And we have to find third term. So n is 3. So 5 minus 3 plus 1th term. Right? From beginning. So you know 5 minus 3 plus 1 is what? 5 minus 3, 2 plus 1, 3. So this is what? Third term. So this is also third term from beginning. So we can find very easily A3 equal to what? A plus 3 minus 1 into D. So that is answer is what? A plus 2D. So A is what? 2. And plus 2 into common difference is what? 4 minus 2, 2, 6 minus 4, 2, 8 minus 6, 2, 10 minus. So common difference is 2. So 2 plus 4 is what? 6. So our correct answer is what? See, when we check from the last end, from third term from the end, our answer is C. In the same way, if you want to find fourth term from end. So if you want fourth term, that is fourth term from end equal to what? So it is the fourth term. So n is 4 and total is 5. So we will get to what? 5 minus 4 plus 1th term, right? So 5 minus 4, that is what? Second term from the beginning. So we can find second term from the beginning equal to what? A plus 2 minus 1 into D. That is A plus D. So A is what? 2 and D is what? 2. So that is what? 4. You can see second term from the fourth term from the end is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. So fourth term from the end is what? 4. That is the fourth term from the end is what? Second term from the starting. So we know the starting formula A plus n minus 1D. So A2 is what? 4. This is our correct answer. Let's see the question. Here question is so that the sequence log A square by B, log AQ by B square, log A4 by B3 forms an AP. So for AP, common difference should be same. Common difference is what? A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2 and so on will be the same. So here we are checking common difference, that is A2 minus A1. A2 is what? Log A square by B and A1 is what? Simply log A. So when we know log x minus log y, what? Log x upon y. So x is what? A square by b and divided by a. So divided by a means what? That is 1 by a. So this a cancel, we will get what? Log a upon b. Similarly here a3 minus a2, third term minus second term. This is what? Log aq by b square. And this is second what? Log a square upon b. So this is a square upon b. So again this is log x minus log y. So log x upon y. So this is aq divided by b square. And divide this, so multiply, become reciprocal, b upon a square. So this b cancel, this a square cancel, get a. So we will get what? Log a by b. So here also same. Again we find a4 minus a3. So a4 minus a3 is what? That is log a4 upon b cube and minus log a cube upon b square. So again same rule, log x minus y, so x upon y. So this is a4 by b3 and divide aq by b square. So when multiply become reciprocal, b square by a cube. So we will get what? This b square cancel b and aq cancel a. So we will get what? That is log a by b. So all the same. So it is in what? That is AP.